So I've opened this one already actually, so I know exactly what's in here, and it is an engraving of St Mary-at-Lambeth, which is a bit like my ancestral church really. Looks very, very different now. All this bit here has been demolished, the tower's still there, you still go in through that way, and just that bit at the back which we can't see here, that is the Howard Chapel. So it's very late and I should be in bed, but I've had this package delivered. Here we go. Here we go. It's a plan of St Mary-at-Lambeth. It's got pictures of the church in 1666 and in 1980 there. You can see the outline of the church there, and there's the Howard Chapel, just that one there. All the old stones with the old tower and the rebuilt church. But then this is from 1980, and this is the start of when they were doing something new with the church. This is when it was called the Museum of Garden History. Looking at all the tombs, there's so many laid down tombs that they all seem to be burial vaults. I just think it's such a lovely thing, and I'm really looking forward to it going up on my wall. Sorry for the rather strange angle. I've got this box here, and I'm pretty sure that this is a glass slide of St Mary-at-Lambeth. You can see the church there. So you can see again the tower there, and then that is the back part of it. Well, it's all been rebuilt now, but now it's the museum, and that bit is where the Tredecan Ark is. This bit here was where the Howard Chapel was. Trying to piece together a bit more about St Mary-at-Lambeth and the Howard Chapel. All four of my grandparents have family who came from this church, so it's quite an important one for me and my family's history really. So we're going to find out some more about St Mary-at-Lambeth, now the Garden Museum. Oh, I know what this is, look. This here is this stereoscopic card that I've ordered of St Mary-at-Lambeth. You can see St Mary-at-Lambeth is here. There's two images because you'd put it to make like a 3D image, and this is the entrance to Lambeth Palace here. This is really nice. And at the Garden Museum, which St Mary-Lambeth now is, they've got stereoscopic cards of all gardens and things. Oh, that's a nice little thing to go with all the stuff we've previously been looking at in St Mary-at-Lambeth.